Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be an Amazon haul for some items that I purchased for my office. I am going to try and make this a real chill video. I'm going to be as quiet as I can because my baby is sleeping in the back. I'm trying to do this as he's napping, so hopefully I can get through this full video without him waking up. As you guys may have seen, I'm not sure if that video is going to be up before this one or that one may be up before this video, so you guys will see what's going on. If you guys don't follow me on Amazon, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, you should. I did give you guys a sneak peek of the area that I'm going to be making over, but I didn't purchase a lot of things. This is just a small necessities that I feel that I may need, and then moving forward after I set up my office area, I'm going to add more items depending on what I feel is missing, or I don't want to buy a lot of things for it because I don't want it to feel cluttered, but I do want it to be me. I want it to be a creative space for me. I do want it to be somewhere where I can just go in and think of some content ideas, go to de-stress and hide, go in to just organize my life, plan out some things. I do have a lot going on, especially with a new baby. So enough with me rambling on. We're gonna go ahead and get to it because I'm excited to open up and take a look at these things that I purchased. All right, so we're gonna start off with this one. I really hope he doesn't wake up because he wakes up with any crinkly sounds. It's just like, he's like a radar, he's just like super alert. So all right, so I don't even know what this is. I purchased a lot. I think I have one item that's gonna be in late, so if I don't add it in this video, depending on when it comes in, if I don't add it in this video, I'll probably add it in the next. Hopefully my next video is going to be me actually setting up the area. So again, if I don't show you guys that item in this video, it's going to be in the next one. So it's a cute little box. This is, oh okay, so this is the desk pad. So I did purchase a desk pad to place my my laptop on. I didn't order a mouse pad, so I'm going to use this as a mouse pad as well, but I just want to keep it on here because I redid my office, my desk, my actual desk. I redid it. I did seal it and everything, but I just want to protect it as much as I possibly can since I'm going to be doing a lot of things on this desk, not just typing and editing videos and organizing and things like that. I may actually do some projects on it. So I think that having, oh, this is really pretty. So it's this here. It's leather. It's 23 inches by 13 inches. So it's like a faux leather, and then it has like the anti-grip in the back. This is so perfect. This is so nice. I like this. I thought this size was gonna be perfect. I didn't want it to completely fill up my desk, but I just wanted to just be in that primary area that I'm gonna be working on. So I think this is like a perfect size. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. And oh, so this here is my desktop stand. So I purchased this. So I do have a tripod. So I purchased this because I may do some videos on my desk, like, you know, sitting on my desk. Also I can use this if I want to watch some YouTube videos, or if I'm on FaceTime with somebody. I just think this is really cute to keep on the desk. You can just have this here playing on the side or whatever, listen to some music. Oh, you know, it's just multi-purpose. So let's open this up and see. Okay, so yeah, it's just like a basic. Oh, the bottom is heavy. So it comes like this. It has a foam. I don't think this is used for it. I'm like totally winging this. I don't even know if I'm doing this right. I think this may be right. This is really good though. I really like this. This is really good quality. The base is really, really heavy. And then I believe this part you loosen and then you're able to like, yeah, see, you can swivel it and do what you need to do with it. This is really cute. I definitely have to play with this some more. I'm gonna look at the instructions and figure this out, but yeah. Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, so this part up here actually bends. This is so cute. Okay, yep. Yes, ma'am. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited to set my area up. I can't wait for you guys to see what it looks like. Alright, so let's open up the other box. Okay, so if you guys know me, of course, like, look, I always have a cup of coffee because your girl needs it. I literally run off of coffee and then water, but coffee is mainly it. So cheers. So this, you guys, this was a must. This was a must. One of my coworkers, she actually had one that she used for her desk, and I'm like, that is such like an amazing idea, because as a mom, oh my gosh, if you're a mom, you know you have to heat up your coffee. Like, if you want hot coffee, it's like, is it even worth it? Is it even worth it? Because you have to heat it up like 10 times in an hour, and you might as well just make iced coffee. But I like my hot coffee, I like my iced coffee, but when I want hot coffee, I'm gonna drink hot coffee. So this is gonna help your girl out. So this is, I saw a lot of coffee warmers that were aesthetically pleasing, but I wanted to try this one out. It's still cute. It's cute. It's black. I mean, it's not big and bulky, so it's not gonna be in the way. But I wanted to try this one out. If this doesn't work out, it was like 12 bucks. If this doesn't work out, then I'm gonna get one of the really cute looking ones. But this is gonna serve its purpose, so I'm not even stressing it. But this, I think, is probably one of the most exciting things that I got for my desk area. So yes. And then, okay, so this is a wireless mouse pad. So I have a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro. I have an Apple laptop. I'm tired, okay? I have an Apple laptop. It's the rose gold color. So I wanted that to be like the accent color, because that is the color of my laptop. I really wanted to keep that area neutral, because you guys know me. I love to switch things around. I like to have, I get bored of things very fast, so I like to have like my main items neutral, and then I can just switch things up with some accessories. Because my laptop was rose gold, I did want to add some rose gold accents to my desk. The only thing I was worried about was it matching the laptop. I didn't want to have different rose gold items, but if they're different, oh well, it don't matter. Look at this one. This is so cute. So I believe this one is, I ordered it because it says it was a Bluetooth and it's supposed to be compatible with my my laptop. And then it has the charger here, but it's really cute. Really cute. I hope it matches. I think it may be a little bit more pink than like my laptop, but it's fine. It's still cute. It's gonna serve its purpose. So I'm really excited for this. And then my pens. The girl got a lot of pens. This was, there's 12 pens. There's 12 pens in here, and they're of course rose gold. You see, look, they don't match, but I think my laptop is more of this color than this, but it is what it is. And then it comes with the refills, which is good. So like, look at this. This is so freaking adorable. I love these pens. So they have the rose gold with the polka dots, then they have the white with the rose gold polka dots, and then they have the, oh, this is silver. This one is really pretty. This is silver with the rose gold. I think that's it. Oh, and then the solid rose golds. This is really pretty. It's gonna look so cute. I can't wait. I'm so excited, you guys, to set this up. Like, this is just gonna be my area. I'm so excited to set this area up. You have no idea. Alright, let's see. I need some coffee. Like, my coffee is already hot. Like, I feel like plugging up my coffee right now. Should I do it? Should I go? I think no, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for my desk. Let me relax. Let me relax. Let me relax. I wanna use everything for my desk when I'm ready. Let me relax. Maybe that'll motivate me to actually get this area set up quickly. I really do need to get it set up quickly because my freaking living room is a mess. Everything is a mess. Oh my gosh. All right, let's go. Oh yes. Okay. So this is what I'm most excited for. Wallpaper. Yes, wallpaper. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I hope you ordered enough. It should be enough. I ordered 4 rolls. So this is what it looks like. So I wanted an accent wall, but because I'm renting, I don't want to paint. I did paint in my last apartment, and it was, yeah, I don't think I want to paint here. I'm gonna save that for when I get my house. Manifesting. So if you guys haven't already, hit the subscribe button, share this video with family and friends. This is so cute. And sneak peek. So look at this. Look at how cute this is. Look at this. And it's so good quality. Alright, I'm gonna peel it. It's like a vinyl. It's like a vinyl. It's not cheap. And it's pretty sticky, yes. Okay, good, perfect. Okay, I'm so excited for this. I think this part is the part that I'm most excited for, is to do my accent wall. I can't wait for this. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Okay, and then I bought an 18-month planner. It's a monthly, weekly planner. It has some, I believe I saw, yeah, it has tabs, stickers, all that good stuff, and then it has like really cute like list of public and fun little holidays that you can celebrate. So let's see. And of course it has that pink and gold-ish accents, and then it says trust the process. So this is definitely something that I need to keep reminding myself of, to just trust the process. It's trusting, because oh my god, this is so cute. This is really nice. Oh, look it. More coffee? Yes, please. This is so cute. And I do love that every tab with the new month has something written on it. This is really pretty. So I've purchased a lot of planners before, and I never used them. So I just wanted something that was gonna be fun. And I think this is definitely it. I think this is definitely gonna make me more motivated to use a planner. And I need it because mom brain is real, guys. It's real. Mom brain is real. It is. And then I have, oh yeah, I forgot about these. So yeah, this is a must for me. So I do suffer from carpal tunnel. I got it during was it my first or my second? I think it was my second pregnancy. With my second pregnancy, I started with carpal tunnel, and it does come here and there depending on what I'm doing. So this is definitely gonna help a lot, and it feels so good as memory foam, and it just bounces back. So yeah, I have that my desk pad, and then this can just go right on top of it with this, and then I don't have to worry about using a mouse pad because I have the desk pad, and then I have my little memory foam cushions, and I think that's it, guys. It was a small little haul. I do have some more items coming in, and I may pick up some more, but I just wanted to show you guys my quick little haul that I have from Amazon, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and if you did like it, give it a like as well. And I see you guys on the next one. Bye.